Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an avid shopper or seller on Poshmark, you know that sometimes life throws curveballs, like moving to a new place or just needing to update your details. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to change your shipping address on Poshmark in 2025. Whether you're buying that perfect outfit or selling your wardrobe gems, getting this right ensures your packages arrive hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Poshmark account. You can do this through the mobile app or the website, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, head over to your profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the app or at the top of the website. Tap or click on it to access your account settings. Next up, look for the Settings or Account section. This is where all your personal info is managed. Scroll down until you find the Shipping Address option. In 2025, Poshmark has made this even easier with a dedicated tab for addresses, so it should be straightforward. Tap on it, and you'll see your current address listed. Now, to change it, simply select the Edit button next to your address. A form will pop up where you can enter your new street, city, state, zip code, and any other required details. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any delivery delays. Nobody wants their package going to the wrong spot. After you've filled in the new information, hit the Save or Update button. Poshmark might ask you to confirm the changes or even verify your identity for security reasons, especially if it's a significant update. Once that's done, you're all set. And that's it, your shipping address is now updated for all future orders. Remember, if you're a seller, this change will affect how buyers send payments and items to you, so keep an eye on your listings. If you run into any issues, Poshmark's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on shopping smart. See you in the next video.